Welcome to Science Hub. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of solar flares, specifically exploring the intense solar activity that occurred on November 4, 2025. These recent solar flares have not only sparked scientific curiosity but also affected our planet in significant ways. Solar flares are sudden bursts of energy from the sun triggered by the abrupt release of magnetic energy in active sunspot regions. When these flares erupt, they send out radiation and charged particles into space. If a flare occurs from a sunspot facing Earth, it can disrupt our communication systems. The most powerful of these flares are classified as Class X. The number following the X indicates their intensity, with each step signifying a doubling in energy. So an X2 flare is twice as powerful as an X1. On November 4th, two significant Class X solar flares took place. The first flare in X1 8 erupted from sunspot AR 4274, peaking at 12:34 p.m. Eastern Time. This flare caused a strong radio blackout across most of North and South America. Just a few hours later, at 5:02 p.m., another flare, categorized as X1 erupted from a region still hidden behind the sun's southeastern limb. This second flare led to radio interruptions over the northern Pacific, New Zealand and parts of eastern Australia. Though these powerful flares weren't directly aimed at Earth, their outer edges may interact with a fast stream of solar wind later in the week, potentially causing strong geomagnetic storms around November 6th and 7th as forecasted by NOAA. These storms could lead to vibrant and dynamic auroras, much to the delight of northern sky watchers. Sunspot AR 4274, which remains magnetically complex, is now moving to face Earth. This positioning increases the likelihood of more direct flares. Currently, NOAA predicts a 65% chance of Class M flares and a 15% chance of another Class X flare in the coming days. The activity didn't stop there. On the morning of November 5, the same active region AR 4274 produced another powerful M7 4 flare, peaking at 6:15 a.m. Eastern Time. This flare was accompanied by a partial coronal mass ejection, which might have an Earth-directed component. These recent events underscore a notable increase in solar activity, which can have significant effects on Earth's communications and auroras. With NOAA's forecast for more flares, scientists and observers remain on alert to see how these phenomena evolve. These occurrences remind us of the importance of monitoring the sun and understanding its impact on our planet. Stay curious and subscribe to Science Hub for more insights into the wonders of science.